In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Presenter View in Google Slides for a more interactive and efficient presentation experience. This feature is particularly useful for anyone looking to engage their audience through Q&A sessions while keeping notes and tools at your fingertips. Let's dive into this step-by-step process on how to make the most of it. To begin, navigate to your Google Slides presentation. As you prepare to present, don't immediately jump into the slideshow mode as you might typically do. Instead, look for the slideshow button, but don't click directly on it. Instead, click on the arrow right next to it. This will reveal a drop-down menu offering a few different options for how you might want to display your slides. From this menu, select Presenter View. This option is a game changer for anyone presenting because it essentially gives you two views, one for your audience and one just for you. Once selected, two separate windows will open. In one window, your slides will be displayed as your audience will see them. In the other window, you've entered the presenter's view, which is only visible to you. This view is packed with incredibly useful tools. Your speaker notes are prominently displayed, along with timers and other utilities, allowing you to check your pacing and stay on message without missing a beat. Now, if you're interested in fostering direct interaction during your presentation, you'll want to utilize the Audience Tools feature. In the Presenter View window, locate and click on the Audience Tools tab. This is where the magic happens for engaging with your viewers. Once you're in the Audience Tools section, you'll see an option labeled Start New. Go ahead and click this button to initiate a Q&A session with your audience. With Q&A mode activated, a special link will appear directly on your current slide. This link is the gateway for your audience, enabling them to contribute actively during your presentation. They can go to this link on their devices and begin asking questions in real time, as well as voting on questions they find particularly interesting or relevant. This interactive element not only enhances the engagement level of your presentation, but also allows you to respond to the most pertinent queries from your audience. Using Presenter View. Along with the audience tools in Google Slides is a robust way to keep your presentations dynamic and responsive. It provides you with the tools to manage your delivery efficiently, ensuring your speaking points are covered and that you're aligned with your timeline. Simultaneously, it opens up a direct line for interaction with your audience, making your presentation more participatory. Whether you're delivering in front of a small team or a large online audience, these steps will help elevate your presentation and keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tools as empowering as they are easy to use.